Why iPad? All the essentials in the most affordable iPad, with a beautiful 10.2-inch Retina display, powerful A13 Bionic chip, and an ultra-wide front camera with center stage. Work, play, create, learn, stay connected, and more. iPadOS Plus apps. iPadOS makes iPad more productive, intuitive, and versatile. With iPadOS, run multiple apps at once, use Apple Pencil to write in any text field with Scribble, and edit and share photos. iPad comes with essential apps like Safari, Messages, and Keynote, with over 1 million more apps available on the App Store. Fast Wi-Fi connectivity. Fast Wi-Fi keeps you connected at home, work, school, or wherever you go with your iPad. Performance and storage. The A13 Bionic chip gives you the graphics performance you need. And with all-day battery life, iPad is perfect for playing immersive games and more. Choose from 64GB or 256GB storage options. Apple Pencil and Smart Keyboard. Apple Pencil first generation transforms iPad into an immersive drawing canvas and the world's best note-taking device. The Smart Keyboard features a comfortable typing experience and folds into a slim, lightweight cover for protection. 10.2-inch Retina display. With incredible detail and vivid colors, it's perfect for watching movies or drawing your next masterpiece. True Tone adjusts the display to the color temperature of the room to make viewing comfortable in any light. Unlock and pay with Touch ID. Touch ID is built into the top button, so you can use your fingerprint to unlock your iPad, sign into apps, and make payments securely with Apple Pay. Front and back cameras. iPad features a 12-megapixels ultra-wide front camera that supports center stage for video conferencing and selfies. The 8-megapixels wide back camera is perfect for capturing photos, 1080p HD video, and scanning documents. Legal disclaimers. This is a summary of the main product features. Can be purchased via the link in the description.